everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS factory small block car. It's actually got a crate 350 in it now. Pretty car, guys. Factory flame orange. This is the original color. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got the black super sport striping. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the correct SS wheels. Really cool car. Car come out of Alabama. Is a frame-up restoration about 5-6 years ago, he said. A lot of upgrades. It's got a crate 350 engine in it. It's got a 700R4 automatic overdrive trans. It's got a 4-link 10-bolt rear suspension in it with a 373 posi, QA1, adjustable coilovers on the rear. It's got sway bars. You can see it's got the flapper hood. A lot of options. Factory tach and gauges. It also is a factory air car. See a couple little touch-up marks. You can see they've upgraded the headlights. Good solid straight Alabama body. I like the color. I really like the color combo. Car's got a good look, runs and drives good. I mean, a good car. Glass is nice. It's got a little crack there in the speaker cover on the dash. I noticed that when I was buying it. Pretty paint. Got a little minor scratches in the rear glass. Car's got a real good look. Sits good. Like I say, it's got the factory correct SS wheels on it. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Blemish. Like I say, you can just go around it. You can nitpick. There's some little, you know, chips and stone pecks on it, but it's nice. Very, very nice car. Nice underneath. Correct SS wheels. Front disc brakes. This is a crate 350 Edelbrock 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. Nice set of ceramic headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have air. The air does work. Again, 700R4 automatic overdrive trans. It's got the blacked out air cleaner with the bow tie valve covers. HEI distributor. Again, it's got the flapper hood. A lot of options. So they replaced the door rubbers on it. Doors are nice and clean. Definitely new sill plates. bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column with the SS steering wheel. Again, factory tach and gauges. It's got LED. Oh, I remember this car does have some LED lights. 93,835 on your odometer. Again, factory tach and gauges. We got to check the fuel gauge. That fuel gauge is pegged. AM radio, blower motor works. I believe this one's an X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Again, tricked out rear end with the 10-bolt 4-link, 373 limited slip. The numbers are still in your quarters there. It's a cool car, nice and clean. Clean seams on the car. It's all spackle coated like it should be. Slam my finger in there. QA1 adjustable rear shocks with the rear sway bar. Little wax there, guys. Sorry. Always miss some dust in there. Sorry. Looks like a little glue or something there. Seats are nice. A little glove box in there. And seats are nice. New floor mats. Gauges are nice and clean. Steering wheel's really nice. Go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. Again, good running small block. Kicking out. It might be too cold out here too. You know that air blows cold, guys. It is a little chilly out here. Again, your flapper hood's working. Tach works, amp gauge works. Both of those gauges are down now. They might have just come unplugged. It's got an oil pressure gauge underneath there that works. Good sounding small block. No on the radio. No. Lower motor does work, guys. Oh, I gotta check the wipers. Steve told me that, didn't he? Yeah, it's got the upgraded headlights in it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a good looking car right there, man.